Hi everyone, welcome to my video, my channel. So we are talking about 2020 Saltiga issue. This is the issue in the air rotor and the gear knocking sound you can hear. Okay, in this previous video I've mentioned the drag clicker stuck inside and how to open it and fix it. So in this video is show you how to fix the air rotor knocking. Listen carefully. Make sure you know how to open up your reel and do service or do some fix. If you are not so sure about how to open a reel like this, then better don't touch it. You can get some of your local reel repair, reel servicing guy to do it. Better order a parts from original reel brands, maker, manufacturer, like a spare part to fix it. Don't get from hardware shop to modify it. That is not a good way. There's not good ideas. So let's move. Take out spool, put aside. This is a plastic piece. Hold your thumb on the shaft and two of your finger and then slowly. Okay, done. So make sure you line up, okay, so that you can install it back without confuse which one is downside, which one is upside. So this is Allen key. So what I can say, you need a proper tools, a good quality tools to use to service or either open your reel. So there's 3 Allen key screw, pull it and unscrew it. Right. So this is my messy table. So you want to do your reel, make sure your table is clean and your floor is clean, your surrounding is clean, and the lighting is bright enough. Okay. For now. Okay, now take the plastic piece out through the shaft, put aside, and make sure you put your screw in the original parts. Take out the seal. Okay, now this is a 14mm spanner. So take out, make sure it fit, and hold your air rotor, then turn it anti-clockwise. Done. Okay, before that you make sure this is your air bell and this is hole there, then is the marking right there. Show your nut sharp edge pointing at there. So later after you real fix, then you put back in the position. You can see. Alright. Okay, so now we open out. Put aside. And this is supposed to be sit on top. Okay. Now pull out the rotor. Put aside. Okay. This is gold piece of metal cover. So what you're going to do, see, you can see a gap there, so you can pointing the screw hole there for some sort of align, not over tighten, not okay. Now so open up like it. Make sure you use your glove. If this thing is, you can feel a little bit very sharp. For me, I'm used to it. Okay. Open out clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay. Now screw. Take out, put aside. Okay. Now this is a piece of metal holding the mag seal, so you can open up with your nail. See, you can see there is an O-ring right there, so make sure you don't disturb the mag seal oil unless you have one of mag seal oil. Okay. Then you can use some object to remove something like fiber. What kind of very soft piece, like cloth, like that. Okay, put aside. Okay, this is three big screw, which is taper type. Then you need to have a proper tooth. Make sure the proper tooth big enough to fit in the screw. Without that, it will blur your screw. Right? Out. Okay. Done. Out. Okay. Unscrew. Okay. So we have to be very careful about the about this hole. See, I was first a screw drawing in this, either three of this screw, one piece drop in. Is very difficult to take it out, so must be careful, right? Okay, screw all. Okay. Taper screw. There's something piece here, must careful take out. It's supposed to be bottom of the nut, a rotor nut. Okay, always remember, always place your parts properly. take out the whole pinion, slowly pull out. Okay, you can see the whole pinion and the stopper tooth. Okay. See, you can see the stopper pin on the top, up and down. Okay. Now, so the air rotor knocking sound, right? Which is I already do some research, so this video I will remake and redo. Okay, so this is the main bearing, right? You can see a piece of brush washer is usually below the anti-reverse one-way bearing. Alright, okay, you see. So the next thing I'm going to show you how to fix them. Okay, you get a tiny piece of washer, stainless steel washer, tiny piece from other reel you can order from Daiwa Axis. Okay, I show you where I take it from, so then you can order. So this washer I taken out from Daiwa Axis. It's located below the air rotor nut. Actually there are 3 pieces in it, original, so I take out 2, so left one in there is actually enough to use, no need that much. So I take out 2, one for Saltiga, one for spare on my other spinning reel. Okay, so now before we put it in, make sure put some grease brush, little bit enough. Apply both surface, like little bit, no need to be too much. Okay, so now the washer already pressed in, right? Then put the bearing back in. Okay, and the brush washer on the top, right? Okay, now so we're going to put it back. Actually there is a spring washer inside, so you have to press it in correctly and feel it. Okay, a little bit with your gears. Do you feel? Okay, it's in. Okay, now before we are going to install a plate, so there is a thing that to get some tissue. Okay, okay, before we are installing the plate, right, place it exact where you take it out, right. Okay, next thing, there's a below this is a hole, so you use a tissue as a stopper, prevent the screw drop in. Okay, so now you're putting the screw, right, the hole, the screwdriver, right, and then next one, okay, done. Pull out the tissue, done. Then the next thing is you're going to put the screwdriver handle on, tighten it, not too tight, just right. Okay, because it's a stepper screw. Okay, it's tight enough, not too tight. Done. Last one. Okay, done. Not too tight. Just I can say finger tight. Okay, press the thing back on. Right. The second thing is, okay, there is a O-ring. Okay, put aside somewhere. Put back in the one-way bearing housing. Slowly fill it. Okay, done. When the gap is correct, the gap will sit in. Okay, done. Okay, done. Next thing is press the O-ring. In the slot. Okay, so make sure the O-ring is placed correctly in the slot. Okay. Okay. Done. Okay, and the next thing is the gold cover. Let's back in, screw it clockwise. Okay, next thing is you can see a gap there so you have to aim there. There is a screw there, screw hole, so the gap must aim it correctly, align it. Okay, okay, done. Tight a little bit. Okay, not too tight, just right enough. Okay, next thing is put something like a kind of center pin or center cone or whatever in the shaft, back to the same place. Okay, to that, put back to the rotor. Okay, then a rotor nut, put it in, screw it. Okay, screw. Okay, you can see something like a notch. Okay, so your screw nut edge pointing at them, right? Okay, done. Not too tight. Okay, there is a rubber seal placed on top of the nut. Okay, done. Then you have to put back the cover, something like a lock nut or something, the plastic cover. Screw it. Done. The next thing is finger tight, not too tight. Okay, done. Next one, done. Last one, done. Okay, then there's a rubber piece, put back that in. Perfect. See, no more popping sound. It's fit. See, Done. Perfect. So no more knocking sound. You can feel it, but it's in the main gear. So main gear cavitor. So in the next video, see how if I can get the monocoque tools opener to open out and then fix for the next video. Okay, perfect. Low speed crank. Done. Perfect. So thank you guys for watching this video, and hope it helped you guys to how fix it and solve the rotor clearance or rotor knocking problems in the Saltiga. Okay, and once again, I think it helped also for Daiwa certate SW. I think it's the same design. Okay, done. Thank you guys for watching. I will update more video of the real technical issue and how to solve it.